Relatively quiet across the area tonight. Wind is up a little bit in the higher elevations of the Smokies, not so much down in the lower elevations here in the downtown Gatlinburg area, but higher elevations up towards Gatlinburg Sky Park. Seeing the camera bounce around just a little bit. That's kept temperatures up just a bit. Gatlinburg 70, Dandridge, Maryville, Loudon all sitting at 71 and even 70 right now in Jamestown. So those areas are a little milder overnight with some low 60s. If you're in a sheltered, low-lying area that's kind of protected from the wind, you're going to be in the mid to upper 50s starting out first thing in the morning. Tomorrow, similar temperature-wise to today, low 80s for most, but biggest difference you're going to notice a little bit more humidity coming back in, so certainly feeling a bit more muggy in the area shaded in yellow, especially west of Knoxville. And that would lead to at least a chance of some late storms. This is 7 o'clock in the morning through midday, relatively quiet, but watch as we approach 4 p.m., maybe an isolated shower or two for the plateau into Kentucky. The biggest thing I'll be watching is the potential line of storms coming out of western and then eventual central Kentucky if it holds together, dropping down into our region by about this time tomorrow night. Should weaken, again, as it moves south and east. Just something to watch, though, across the area. There is a low-end chance some of those storms could be severe. In fact, the area shaded here in green from northern Fentress up through portions of Harlan County, a level 1 out of 5 risk. If we see any severe storms, isolated damaging wind gusts look to be probably the biggest concern. Greatest threat is north and west. Areas shaded in yellow from southern Indiana, western Kentucky, and then areas in orange. That's a level 3 out of 5 risk for western Pennsylvania and central sections of Ohio. So again, greater risk north and west. We'll see if that line can hold together, sliding southward later Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. So south of the Knoxville area, south of I-40, little if any rain opportunity expected there. Better chances later in the week. Pop-up showers and storms for our Wednesday. A little more likely as we go Thursday into Friday. A cold front's going to be pushing into the area, especially later Friday into Friday night. Behind this system, we should see a little bit of a reprieve from this mugginess, I guess you could say, from today all the way through Friday. But look how it drops down on Saturday below the scale here. So improving drier conditions it's looking like as we head through the weekend. So as of right now, some early clouds when we start our shred day, 57 degrees and mid 60s by the time we wrap up at about midday. I think the coolest air is going to come in for the second half of the weekend with some upper 40s Sunday morning. I mean, some outlying areas could easily be in the mid 40s. And then mid 70s by the time we get into Sunday afternoon with some sunshine, which will be pleasant. So all in all, kind of an unsettled, almost humid week, but a little drier and cooler for the weekend.
All right, Ken, thank you. Sports Director Reese Van Haften joins us now.